Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ukiya Ifatun Rusna. Study number 21110502120. I will present a research proposal and the relationship between long-term consumption of alcoholic drinks and level of uric acid in blood in adult males. Examiner Lecturer Miss Kurnia Ritmadanti, SSI Biotech. Examiner Lecturer 2 Miss Ulimas Uliyah Indrawati, STRKes MSI. Examiner Lecturer 3 Miss Retno Sulistiawati, STR AKMkes. Big background. Excessive alcohol use can affect several systems in the body. World Health Organization or WHO than uh, estimate that more than 2 billion people worldwide consume alcoholic beverage. Uric acid in a crystalline acid produced from purine metabolism. Alcohol can increase lactic acid level and decrease the excretion of uric acid through urine. Formulation: the problem. How long is the consumption of alcoholic beverage for adult males? What is the uric acid level in adult males with a habit of consuming alcohol? Is there a relationship between the length of time consuming alcoholic beverage and the level of uric acid in the blood in adult males? General purpose. The general objective of this research is to knowing the relationship in the past consuming alcoholic beverage on uric acid level in the blood in adult males. Benefit of research. This study provides information that consuming alcoholic beverage will affect acid level found in the blood. Research authenticity. Relationship of alcoholic consumption with gouty arthritis occurrence in men at Motoling Health Center, Motoling District by Bawilling and Kumayas 217. Equality Design and Design Study, Difference Method, Inspection Code, Method Taking Sample, and two, the effect of palm wine consumption on uric acid level in the community adult in East Jagaraga Village by Giuliantini et al. 222. Equality Design and Design Study Subject Study, Difference Method Inspection, and there is questionnaire research. 3. Description of uric acid level in men with habit consuming alcoholic beverage in Nongan 2 Village, District West Langowan by Sumual 223. Equality Subject Study, Difference, Design and Design Study, and there is questionnaire study. Literature review. Code, definition, metabolism, risk factor, and hyperuricemia. Drink alcoholic, definition of alcohol, content of alcoholic beverage, types of alcoholic beverage, and examination method code is uric acid, PAP, and POCT. The theoretical framework is attached, conceptual framework, and hypothesis. Independent variable is a length of time consuming alcoholic beverage. Dependent variable is uric acid level in the blood in adult men. Hypothesis can be put forward in the study. One, there is relationship between the length of time consuming alcoholic beverage and uric acid level in the blood in adult men. Two, there is no relationship between the length of time consuming alcoholic beverage and uric acid level in the blood in adult men. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Type and design of research. This research in a analytical observational type with a cross-sectional design. Examination of uric acid level in the blood will be carried out in a clinical chemistry laboratory, University Medical Laboratory Teknologi Muhammadiyah, while sampling will be carried out in the region Banyumas in May to Juni 225. The independent variable in this study is adult males with a habit of consuming alcoholic for less than 5 years and more than 5 years. The dependent variable in the study is uric acid level. The sample population of this study were adult males who had a habit consuming alcoholic beverage less than 5 years and more than 5 years. The sample used in study was 20. The sampling technique in the study used the purposive sampling method. Inclusion criteria: adult males who consume alcoholic beverage, age over 21 years, respondents who are willing to fill out informed consent, and respondents who are willing to undergo a uric acid examination. Exclusion criteria: respondent with a history of suffering from uric acid metabolism disease or chronic kidney disease, respondent who consume certain drugs that can affect uric acid, serum lysis, respondent who refers informed consent. Sample size based on the calculation of the sample size using the sample size n is obtained as 9. Then is multiplied by 2 because in the study will be grouped to less than 5 years and more than 5 years. To avoid dropout, the sample is added by 10% with the calculation and sample is 20. Operational definition. Long consume is time used while wearing or consume something. How to measure is questionnaire. Measuring result less than 5 years and more than 5 years. Alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage is a drink which has contain ethanol, which can cause someone loss of consequence. Measure is nominal. Code uric acid Is protein metabolism research regularly discrete from liver, kidney, or from purine compounds? How to measure is a photometer, unit mg per TL, and measure ordinal. Tool and material is attached. Work procedures, sampling vena, blood width, perform palpation on venipuncture area and apply a tourniquet. Wet the vein with alcohol swab, prick syringe and take blood according to volume. Releasing to tourniquet, the pull the syringe in this way and slowly and stick cotton. Inserting the sample into in vacuum tube and centrifuge for get serum. Making blank reagent, sample reagent, and reagent sample. Each reagent, blank, standard, and sample was incubated for 10 minutes at 37 Celsius. After incubation, read the absorbance of the sample blank and reagent standard on a photometer with a wavelength of 549 nanometer. Reading the result displayed on the photometer. The data in this study are using primary data in the form of taking blood through a vein. Data collection was collected by research in the laboratory. The data will be analyzed using the test chi-square if the data is distributed normal and if the data is not normally distributed, followed by Fisher test as an alternative test. The research will be conducted after get approval from the Ethics Committee University Health Research Muhammadiyah of Purwokerto. Research flow is attached. Research schedule is attached. Start from December to May. Research cost detail is attached. And thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I'm so sorry if many mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.